natin from here. I'll establish the different points of connection. I have my Delaiva hook. I have the grip on the heel or the pants, collar grip. Sometimes you can even step here, bicep, here, here. Okay? It depends. Guys with longer legs, they can play here. Okay? But if I like to just put my foot on the hip. Okay? Look at this detail. Move this side, please. See? Look how I'm going to move myself and bring my butt on top of his foot. See? If dito alanganin pa, I can point my knee inside and play here. Now I have better control. Okay? So see how I'm using this to break his posture down. Okay? I'm bringing this down and trapping my foot here so that he won't be able to leg drag this leg. Okay? See how this movement, my Delaiva hook, me pointing my knee in, is already sort of exposing his back. Okay? Now, it's easier for me to take the back kasi halfway na nandiyan naka-expose na siya from here. Okay? So from here, first option, since he's already turning this way, I'm going to use my elbow. So I'm going to use my elbow to get up. Okay? So again, balik. So nandito ako. Boom. Move to the side. I extend and come up. Okay? Ulit. So nandito. Boom. Out. Extend. Come up on my elbow. This grip on my collar, I'll transfer either to the belt or to his pants. Ito, I don't really like grabbing the belt kasi minsan when it's loose, it's really hard for me to control. So I grab here. Okay? And look. So I'm on my elbow and I'm grabbing this. See? And this leg is pinching here. I'm going to help lift myself up. Okay? I'm going to use this grip to lift myself up. Lift myself up and bring this to the other side. Okay? So boom. Again, if I'm square, I can turn in here. Okay? I'm going to stretch, boom, grab, and hook to the other side. See how I'm pulling myself up. Okay? As I pull myself up, I want this leg to be connected on this leg. Because if I don't have that leg, then he can turn or run away. I don't have a wedge on this side. Okay? So from here, from here, I'm out, I stretch, and sit up. Okay, now I have this grip. Now I'm going to transfer this hook to the other side. Kamahulog, Jay. Okay? Kamahulog. Okay, so from here, see, I'm going to use my elbow and try to reach first other foot. Okay, I'm going to reach, feed, pull, and kick. Now I have his back. Okay, baby bolo muna kayo. Kasi nahirapan kayo mag-invert. Let's try this first one. Okay? This is my favorite. I use this in competition a lot. So, I'm going to use my Delaiva hook to make this leg light. Okay? See? Now this leg is light. His foot is off the mat. And I'm keeping this leg straight. See how I'm gripping his heel and I'm keeping this connected to my butt. Remember earlier, I emphasized how I want you to utilize the Delaiva hook. Same thing. Same thing. Look. Now his leg is bent 90 degrees. The moment I see that his leg is bent, I can let go of this grip and grab the far hip and just pull it into. Okay? Again. Delaiva hook, boom. Sometimes if you can't grip here, you can grip here. Okay? to the side of the knee. Okay? When every time I play with Dave or Dubs, it's hard. They usually don't give the cross collar grip. Because every time the person playing guard or De La Riva gets this grip, it's going to be hard. I can pull you down. See? So they will break this grip, boom. Okay? I have this grip. You can grab control here. And I'm going to use this other leg, same thing. The first move, I'm going to use this to stretch him out and lift his foot off the mat. See? Now, it's easy. Diba? Kung ganyan, oh, he's far, I'm bending. See? I'm dropping. Grab the far hip, bring him to you, now I have the back. This time I'm playing on the other side. But what was the common thing was I'm utilizing the De La Riva hook to force him to be light on one leg, to control that leg. Okay? Questions? Okay kayo? Okay dyan. Pero you can also grip here. And look, when I grip the belt, see how I'm using my elbow to keep his leg bent and his knee pointing that way. So you can try to point your leg out. Okay? Okay, dito na. Don't worry. We'll do different options. Pag di kayo maka-invert, we'll do something different. Okay? So from here, it's bent. Now I'm going to drop on my shoulder. And as I drop on my shoulder, I'm going to bring this here. Boom. Okay, look how I'm bringing my knee to his hip. And I'm keeping this. See, I'm doing a back heel. Keep this leg dropped. Okay? Now I'm going to grab this side. Okay? But for me to be able to take the back, I need his hips to be up. Pag nakaangat yung puwet, hindi lugi yun. So how do I bring his leg up, his hips up? Jugs.
Good coach.
How? Yes! By bringing that leg down, I'm bringing his hips higher. Okay, look, I have this grip here. I have this grip. See how I can use that to frame and not let his hips go down. Now, I can move and take the back. Okay? Again. So let's say we were able to bring him down. Look at this detail. Boom, I push, sit on the foot. Then I'm using this knee to point his knee up. See? Every time I use this, look. Oh, exposed na yung back part of his back. Or no. Then I reinforce with this grip. Try to pick it up. Extend. And see, this leg will go over his knee. I will drop on my shoulder. Okay? Drop on my shoulder or drop to my side. So, yung more advanced option is to spin under. Okay? So, I'm going to spin here and pull myself in. Okay? Stop. See? Stop. Push him down. Take his back. Okay? Yun yung more advanced. Yung easier option is this. If you're having a hard time spinning under, ito yung gawin nyo. Okay? Look, I have this. I'm going to drop to my side and bring this leg over. See? Saan ako nakapose? Shoulder and my forehead. Okay? Now, from here, look. I'm going to turn and face the other way. And then same thing. Push. Now I have the back. One more. Again, one more. One more. Ito, hindi na siya full spin. I'm here. Look, I'll drop on my shoulder and bring this leg here. See, I'm posting on my forehead inside my head. I'm going to turn and face the other way. Sa matatanda yun yung pinapagawa ko. Yung mga hindi na maka-spin. They call it a face ball.
Ganda nga eh.
Facing the other
Parang
side.
nag-log roll ka lang.
Diba? Okay?